Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris Aqua. On this particular video, I'm going to be teaching you how to earn more MEX token through farming on the Maiar Exchange. So the first thing you need to do is to get the Maiar app, and I'll be dropping a link in the description of this video for you to sign up. So once you get the Maiar app, this is the interface. All you need to do is to transfer EGLD to the Maiar app, because for you to get the MEX token you need to buy EGLD. So you can buy EGLD from Binance, and you can buy EGLD from OKEX or KuCoin. Once you buy the EGLD, then you send it to this particular Maiar app. So how do you buy EGLD? So let me click on wallet. Let me click on wallet here at the bottom corner right here. Perfect. So if I click on wallets, then I click on EGLD, then I click on deposits. You'd see deposits right here. So once I click on deposits, all I need to do is to copy this address. So once I copy this address, then I'll go to any exchange and purchase EGLD from the exchange. I will drop a link in the description of this video that will show you how to buy EGLD from an exchange and also withdraw it to this particular address. So all you need to do is to buy, then withdraw to this address. So once you've bought and withdrawn to this address, the next thing you need to do is to swap your EGLD into MEX. So all you need to do is to go to your browser, then type in Maiar.exchange. Once you type in Maiar.exchange, it's going to take you to this particular page. So all you need to do is to click on swap at the top corner, at the top of this video. So click on swap. So once you click on swap, you need to change this from USDC to EGLD, then this from EGLD to MEX. So once you do that, all you need to do is to come down and connect the Maiar Exchange to your app wallet. So once you click on connect, if you have an Elrond web wallet, you can use it, but for the sake of this video, I'm using the Maiar app because that is what I have signed up with. So all I need to do is to click on Maiar login, then I will have to confirm the transaction right here. Let me go back to the website, click on Maiar login again. So right here I have to approve the connection. So once I click on approve, all I need to do is to minimize and go back to the exchange. So you can see it is automatically connected. Before on this page you would see connect, but now that we've connected, it's saying swap. So all I need to do is to click on the amount. Okay, go back again, change it to EGLD. You can now see that my balance is showing, so I have 0.02 EGLD. Now click on the amount of MEX, then all you need to do is to input the amount of EGLD. So in my case, I'm clicking maximum. Let me input the number 0.0215. Okay, no, 1815. So once I do that, all I need to do is to come down here and click on swap. So you can set your slippage to 0.5, 0.1. I'm setting it to 1 because I want my transaction to be successful no matter what. So all I need to do is to click on swap. So once I click on swap, I have to go and confirm the transaction on Maiar Exchange. So you can see all I need to do is to sign the transaction, click on continue, then click on sign transaction. So you can see transaction signed. Check your browser for status, and I click on OK. Then I go back to my browser. So you can see swapping tokens. So I have to wait for the transaction to get completed. But as you can see, it's saying something went wrong, so I have to go back to my EGLD, click on maximum. So I think this is the maximum amount of EGLD I can swap. Alright, so all I need to do is to go back and click on swap. Then I'll go back to confirm. So it will go through this time around. Okay, let me go back to my website. So swapping. So we have to wait for the transaction to get completed. So it's currently processing. It is 1/2, and it's going to get completed in few seconds. So once it's completed, I'll be having more MEX token. Take note, I have just 6,490 right here. So by the time I'm done with the swap, I should be having something around 10,000 or so. So keep waiting. It might take some time and it might be fast sometimes. So you just have to wait for the transaction to get completed. So you can see it's saying the swap is complete. So the swap is complete. So right here, if you look at my amount of EGLD, I have 0.0095 and I have about 9,800 MEX token. So if I go back to my Maiar app, okay, let's not go back to my Maiar app. Let me just go straight into what I have for you. So the next thing you need to do is to go to farms right here. So once you click on farms, it's going to bring you this, so you can see. So you can decide to stake your MEX token to earn 5x reward, and if you have a liquidity pool on EGLD MEX, you can decide to stake it too. But the purpose of this video is not about liquidity pool, it's just pure farming. So all you need to do is to click on MEX right here. Once you click on MEX right here, all you need to do right now is to click on stake. So once you click on stake, it's going to load this page. Then you click on select token. So once you click on select token, you click on MEX. So you see, so you can decide to stake 100% of your token or 25% based on you. So let me click on 100%. So I'll be getting 5x APR, and for me to get double of my APR, all I need to do is to lock rewards and get double of my APR. So if I click on that information icon, you can see lock your rewards for 1 year and double your rewards. You will receive LK MEX, that's locked MEX, that can be used immediately to add liquidity or stake them in the MEX farm. LK MEX will be unlocked after 1 year, 17% in the first 4 months and 16% in the last 2. So you can see right there. So what I need to do right now is to click on stake. So once I click on stake, I have to go and confirm on my app again. So you can see sign transaction, then okay. So let me go back to my wallet. So you can see adding farm stake. It's loading. It will take a bit of my time, so I just have to wait. So you can see farm stake added. That means it is successful. So if I click on stake again, you can see I don't have any MEX token left or staked. So guys, that's how to stake your coin, your MEX token, to earn more reward. So you're getting 5x of your MEX token. So guys, thank you very much for staying with me to the end of this video. If this video has proved helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like this video. If you have any question for me, drop them in the comment section below and I will address them. I'll see you in my next video. Be good.